Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel today. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of some new modification I just put on the 7.3 POWERSTROKE that we've been building here on the channel. It's been about 2 weeks since the last upload, so I wanted to bring you guys a little bit of something just to keep you guys updated of what's been going on with the 7.3, since I know a lot of you guys have been subscribing lately because you saw a few of the past 7.3 videos that I've uploaded with the new wheels and tires on it. So I did not get a clip of me installing what I just put on it today, but I would at least like to show you it just as a kind of intro of what may be going on with this truck in the future. So we're gonna get right into that and show you guys what's been going on with the truck. So as I just looked back at that clip that I just shot before this, you guys probably already saw what I put on the truck, and you could probably see it right now. We got this Sinister Diesel 38-inch decal on the truck. And I know it's nothing huge, but I want to at least keep you guys updated, show you guys what might be going on in the future, and maybe give you guys a little bit of tips if you do happen to buy something like this or the exact decal from Sinister Diesel, because I did go through a little bit of trouble to put it on the passenger side here. I'll show you, bring you guys over to the passenger side here. Here it is. So on this side, the Bulldog's to the right. So the Bulldog's on the right for each side, basically. It's on the right side of the Sinister. But we'll get back to the driver's side here since it's a little more pretty, as I explained to you guys the best tips of how to do this. And then we'll get into a little more of the details of what's been going on with the truck. So on the passenger side, we decided it comes in a 2-layer like 3M type of decal. You take the back side off and then you stick the clear on with it. You get that on and then you take the clear part off, and what will be remaining is just the sticker here. What I recommend though, however, is that you start with it where you stick the top on here. You stick the top on. Sorry for the wind, I hope it's not that bad. You stick the top on at an even surface, or what I aligned it with this line of the paint difference here. Just get the top on and work it downwards with it and get it on like that. We tried going on the passenger side. We tried going where we would just stick this on and work this way, and that was just such a pain trying to get so that there were no bubbles or anything. On this side though, it came out excellent. I mean excellent. So please work down with it. I think it's a very good tip if you plan on doing any of these lower panel type of decals. But just look at the truck, guys. Honestly, I think the decal just made it look so tough. I mean, really, just take a look at it. Insane. However, recently I wanted to just let you guys know that I've been putting the truck in extreme mode. And so you may know I have a here, I'll flip it. I have an edge programmer on this truck, and I'm usually running it in tow mode or like race mode, but today, or the past week, I've had it in extreme mode just to see, you know, why not. I've only put like barely any miles, like 100 miles on this truck since I bought it like in August, because it's been in the shop. So I thought I'm gonna put it in extreme, and boy have I seen the difference. It's insane. It's rolling coal. I've got a clip that I'm definitely gonna put in here. It's pretty funny. I took this video on Earth Day. I'll put the clip in right now. And I hope you guys enjoyed that clip. It's pretty funny, but I'll probably start up the truck for you guys in this video. Show you exactly how much smoke it does blow, because I know some people don't really like that a lot. I mean, it helps with my my fuel economy has been a little bit better, honestly. I mean, a lot of people don't believe me with that it helps with your MPGs, but the extreme mode definitely does help with your MPGs. I think it adds 100 horsepower, 200 foot-pounds of torque. I believe it's something like that. But the truck's been running great, honestly. Probably the best it's run for me so far. I was driving it around today, took a bunch of great pictures for it. So yeah, so you guys may be wondering, why would you get Sinister Diesel decals on your truck if you have no Sinister Diesel products on your truck? And that's exactly what I'm gonna lead this video into. I'm basically gonna explain to you guys the plans that I have for the engine bay of this truck, as in the past months we've been showing you guys all the cosmetic things we've been working on with it. So as you may know, Sinister Diesel makes what they call the Sinister Blue type of intercooler pipes. They make an intake manifold, cold air intake, so many different Sinister Blue degas bottle, and yes, the intercooler pipes have bends in them to get more flow. The cold air intake, more flow of the cold air intake also helps you increase horsepower with more flow there, and it also makes your engine bay look so much better. Like, honestly, extremely better, and it's a very efficient way to gain maybe a little bit of horsepower, and overall throttle response should be a little bit better. However, that's not the end of what this whole engine thing is going to be doing here. My battery died, but anyways, the other things that I will be doing under the hood, other than the Sinister Diesel stuff to kind of dress up the engine, is this summer I'm going to be, I mean, this is a far way, but I just want to kind of update you guys on the plans. I want to get some injectors for this thing. Probably I've been looking at, I believe they're 180cc with 100% or 160 cc's, but I've been looking at those injectors, kind of like a hot street, or mild street type of setup. I'm probably gonna do one thing at a time, so I'll probably get those injectors somewhere far away. I might be upgrading that turbo back there to the GTP. It's the 38R. I don't know. I forgot if it was GTP 38R, GT 38R, but it's a 38R turbo, and that's gonna go perfectly with those injectors. And it's a drop-in. You don't need any conversions or anything like that, because that's a whole lot of money when you get into that type of stuff. But this truck's definitely going to be pushing a lot more power. I want to get into the range where I still don't really need to upgrade transmissions, but it's a lot better, kind of equivalent to a 6.7 right out of the factory. I want to get to around 400 horsepower, not just off a programmer, because those it's not so accurate what they tell you is in those. And also with those injectors, I'll be getting a custom tuned six position chip. But that's my plans with under the hood. I just want to update you guys on that, because I definitely want to start dressing this thing up. And probably the first things I'm going to be doing, hopefully, is some Sinister Diesel products. So I'm going to leave a link to them down in the description, and a link to that decal in case you want one, because guys, it came out so mean. And yes, I'm on a ladder because that's how tall the truck is now. But these decals, I'm gonna maybe throw some pictures in that I took. They came out just so sick. Also, what was really cool is this truck got posted on Instagram. It got featured on a Instagram, I forgot the page, but one of you guys that watch these videos recognized the truck and said that this guy makes YouTube videos. I really appreciate that. That's really cool, guys, that you guys, or one of you guys recognized the truck. Comment if that was you. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, and the wind's picking up. Alright guys, so it got really windy out there, so I'm gonna end the video, end the video in the truck. The sun glare is crazy right now, but I'm gonna end the video in the truck. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you guys an update of what's going on with the 7.3. So right now, I guess we're kind of in like a lull with it. I don't have a ton of things currently coming with it besides those decals I just put on today. But once it starts turning into summer, guys, there's going to be so many different things going on with this truck, as well as the Ranger. The Ranger's actually at the garage right now, but there's going to be a big video coming up for Ranger that we're going to be showing you guys, and a lot of you guys are going to like it. It was always asked when we were building the Ranger, a lot of people were asking about it, and we're finally going to deliver it of what the next modification to the Ranger is. You'll have to see, so stay tuned for the next video. And I'm gonna end off this video with a quick little startup of the 7.3. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Riding like a bear. I completely forgot to even get the startup on film. See you guys in the next video.